Now we'll talk about the lab preparation of ammonia from ammonium salts. If we heat a mixture of an ammonium salt NH4Cl with যেকোনো alkali দিতে পারি CaOH2 calcium hydroxide NaOH যা কিছু দিয়ে it will lead to the formation of ammonia. So here we are showing from ammonium chloride. So যেকোনো ammonium salt দিয়েছো তুমি NH4Cl মানলো দিয়া, and with it we are having NaOH alkali sodium hydroxide. It will lead to the formation of NaCl, water and ammonia NH3. So mostly in lab preparation আমরা CaOH whole 2O use করতে পারি. NH4Cl plus CaOH whole 2 gives Ca दूर पास वाला I taught you, double decomposition reaction होगा CaCl2 plus water plus ammonia. So sodium sulfate, salts other than ammonium salts kintu will not react. Only you have to use ammonium salt in order to produce the ammonia. তাহলে আমরা কি নিচ্ছি? What are the reactants needed? Ammonium chloride NH4Cl and select lime or calcium hydroxide CaOH2. We are taking them, we mix them in a round bottom flask. একটু যেটা দেখা ছবিটা, we take it in a round bottom flask. Ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide are taken in a round bottom flask. The product will be calcium chloride, CaCl2, water and ammonia. This is the thing. The reactants should be ground together and heated slowly in a round bottom flask. But the neck of the flask should be towards the bottom. The ammonia gas observation obtained in the flask passes through a delivery tube se jaake into a, first it will be going through a drying tower, and then it will be going to an inverted gas jar. So for first through drying tower gas dry ho jayega, and then what is the drying agent used here? Quicklime. What are the precautions? The reactants should be finely powdered ताकि maximum surface area generated हो सके. Precautions that should be taken in lab preparation of ammonia. So the reactants, as I told you, should be finely powdered to initiate the maximum powdering कैन हो surface area बढ़ाने के लिए. And the select line जो use करेंगे वो भी higher ratio में होना चाहिए. और जो round bottom flask है, that should be kept in an inclined position as we have already shown. So, and we should never use NH4NO3 as a reactant because it is highly explosive and it will also decompose. So, আমরা use করবো হচ্ছে NH4Cl, not NH4NO3. Why? Because it is highly explosive. How is it collected? Downward displacement of air, say, as we have already shown. And how can you identify the gas? If you take a glass rod dipped in concentrated HCl and it is brought near the mouth of the jar, if it is brought near the mouth of the jar and if the jar is full, then we will see dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. That shows that the gas is ammonia. Okay. Now, when we talk about the reactants, there are certain things which we need to know. No, it's there. Dry ammonium chloride or select lime जो हम लोग use किया, thoroughly mix होना पड़ेगा, किंतु एक तो powdered होना पड़ेगा and thoroughly mix and heated gently. Higher ratio should be used, আমি বলছি it can counteract the loss by sublimation. अगर हो जाए तो उसको higher ratio will counteract it. And calcium CaOH2 is used, calcium hydroxide, which is because it is cheap. And unlike other caustic alkalis, it is not भीजे भीजे हो जाना, deliquescent नहीं है. And ammonium nitrate, as I told you, it should never be used because it is highly explosive and it decomposes and it forms nitrous oxide. And the other thing which we should keep in mind is that the round bottom flask should be kept in an inclined position. The reactants being solid ground तो हमने बोले ही maximum surface area के लिए, and round bottom flask should be kept in an inclined position. Why? Because the water vapor which is formed may not trickle back, and if the water vapor trickles back, it might crack the flask. The flask is hot still yet.